Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Foam Kit is probably one of the most exciting and versatile tools you can have in your detailing arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, a good foam kit can revolutionize your car washing experience. It's all about achieving that perfect, scratch-free wash, and the right foam kit can make all the difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of foam kits, exploring what makes them tick and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. TotalBoat Plastic Restorer, bring trim back to life. Are you frustrated with plastic restorers that don't last? This product will renew, seal, and protect any interior or exterior surface. It will keep your car looking great for months. Have you experienced streaks after the first rain? This product repels water. It stays looking good for several months, no matter the weather. Do you hate greasy products that never dry? This product restores and leaves a great finish, but more importantly, it will completely dry to the touch. No more ruining your detailing supplies. TotalBoat cares about quality. Their products are made with the latest advancements in science. Every formula is mixed and bottled in the USA. The TotalBoat team cares about customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, they will do everything in their power to make it right. What we like. This product is designed to last, ensuring your car looks great for months. It repels water, so rain won't ruin your hard work. If you are looking for a trim restorer that provides long-lasting results and a dry-to-the-touch finish, you should consider this. What people say. The foam kit is easy to use and provides a great clean. The foam cannon works great and is easy to use. The foam blaster works great and is easy to use. Number 4. TotalBoat 14-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. This 14-piece kit is an arsenal builder, including a foam blaster, wash bucket, towels, applicators, and various soaps, waxes, and cleaners. It's designed to help you wash, shine, and protect your vehicle effectively. The foam blaster easily connects to any standard garden hose. It sprays thick suds that lift dirt and grime, which helps reduce swirl marks and scratches, making car washing at home safer. The kit includes Honeydew Snow Foam Car Wash Soap, Diablo Wheel Cleaner, Silk Shine Dressing, Butter Wet Wax, and Signature Glass Cleaner. It provides everything needed for complete interior and exterior detailing. Inside, you'll find a heavy-duty wash bucket, grit guard insert, plush microfiber towels, a wash mitt, and applicators. These tools ensure a professional, scratch-free detailing experience every time you use it. It's perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. This car cleaning kit provides everything needed for safe, effective, and fun washing, regardless of your skill level or vehicle type. This is the ultimate gift for dads, car enthusiasts, or DIYers. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or anyone looking to upgrade their car care routine with professional auto detailing supplies at home. What we like. This kit offers a complete detailing solution, including everything you need for washing, shining, and protecting your vehicle. It easily connects to any standard garden hose, making car washing at home convenient. If you like a comprehensive kit with premium products for a professional finish, you should choose this. What people say. The foam cannon is easy to use and produces thick, clinging foam. The adjustable nozzle allows for a variety of spray patterns. The foam cannon is well built and durable. Number 3. TotalBoat 16-piece Car Wash Kit. This 16-piece kit from TotalBoat is trusted by car enthusiasts and detailers. It includes everything you need for a professional wash at home, from a foam cannon to premium vehicle chemicals. The foam cannon connects to standard pressure washers. It produces thick, clinging suds that lift dirt and grime, ensuring a scratch-free car cleaning experience. The kit includes 6 16-ounce bottles of shampoo, wool cleaner, and protectants. This complete car cleaning kit is designed to clean and shine every part of your vehicle. It comes with a bucket, grit guard, microfiber wash mitt, drying towels, car detailing brush, and applicators. These tools make washing, drying, and detailing easy. The gentle, pH-balanced formulas and soft microfiber tools are safe for paint, glass, wheels, and trim. It delivers showroom results without causing any damage. This kit is ideal for washing boats, RVs, motorcycles, and off-road vehicles. It safely cleans and shines a variety of painted, coated, and clear finishes. What we like. This kit is designed to work with pressure washers, creating thick suds for a scratch-free clean. It includes premium car care chemicals to clean and shine every part of your vehicle. If you are a car enthusiast who wants professional results with a pressure washer, you should consider this. What people say. The foam cannon is easy to use and produces a thick, rich foam. The adjustable nozzle allows for different spray patterns. The foam cannon is well built and durable. Number 2. Cooltop 18W Hot Wire Foam Cutter Kit. This hot wire foam cutter heats up quickly, reaching 100 degrees Celsius in just 10 seconds. It allows you to cut through foam smoothly and efficiently from any angle. This makes your projects easier. The cutter is made with stainless steel and plastic, featuring overheat protection. It has an on-off button and an LED light for safe operation. You don't have to worry about it breaking down. This 3-in-1 tool includes hot wire, holing, and engraver tips. You can easily change the tips while working, saving you time. A cleaning pen is also included to keep the tips clean. It's perfect for low-density foams like foam board, pearl cotton, and EPS. However, it's not designed for very hard materials. It is a versatile tool for various projects. For safety, take a break after 30 minutes of use. Always turn it off and let it cool down before changing tips. Following these tips will ensure safe and effective use. What we like. This foam cutter provides smooth and efficient cutting, allowing you to create any shape you desire. It features a safe design with overheat protection, ensuring your safety during use. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use tool for foam cutting, you should consider this. What people say. Worked great for our project. Slices through styrofoam like Buddha. I used it to make party backdrops out of foam insulation boards. And let me emphasize how easy it was to create shapes I wanted. It left the smoothest edges. I didn't even need the sandpaper I got. Number 1. TotalBoat 2 pounds Expanding Foam Kit. This 2-part polyurethane foam is perfect for adding buoyancy, insulation, and filling gaps. It's designed for non-structural applications and has been tested according to U.S. Coast Guard regulations. The foam has a simple 1-to-1 mix ratio. It expands quickly and hardens in about 5 minutes at 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. You can build multiple layers by pouring it in separate batches. This foam is ideal for marine applications. It resists water absorption and damage from gas, oil, or solvents. Once cured, it can be coated with various resins, or easily cut and carved. The ideal working temperature is 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Proper temperature, timing, mixing, and venting are critical for expansion. Remember to prepare your surface and be ready to pour quickly. It's available in both a 2-quart kit and a 2-gallon kit. The 2-quart kit yields 2 cubic feet, while the 2-gallon kit yields 8 cubic feet. The shelf life is 6 months from the manufacture date. What we like. This foam kit is perfect for marine applications, resisting water absorption and damage. It is easy to use with a simple 1-to-1 mix ratio, expanding rapidly and hardening in place. If you have a boat or need to fill voids with a durable, closed-cell foam, you should consider this. What people say. This expanding foam is really useful for me in multiple jobs hobbies. It can actually be used to create molds as well. I also build fiberglass carbon fiber panels for automotive projects and use this foam to pull positives off of simple parts like fenders and other flattish stuff. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.